tens of thousands of people have signed a petition against demolishing and rebuilding two Sydney stadiums at a cost of $2.5 billion. The overhaul, which will involve the ANZ Stadium at Sydney Olympic Park being substantially demolished and rebuilt from 2019, was signed off by the Cabinet on Thursday. That will follow a similar rebuilding of Moore Park's Allianz Stadium in 2018. We believe that our money could be better spent with the likes of $110 million projects being funded across the state, so towns, suburbs and regions could see 1,000 fields, pools, courts and arenas bloom, doing something for the wider people of NSW. NSW Sports Minister Stuart Ayres defended the plan, saying it will account for 1% of government spending on health and education during the time